friends. I'm Dr. Mukesh Parik, and in this short video, I'm present with the concept of the word Sanskrit and Pali word samsara. Today, I was teaching Indian philosophy in the first paper, Unit 6, to my NET and JRF students, and there I came to know that most of the students are unaware of the aim of birth in Indian philosophy because of the you know the toxic effect of capitalism around us. Most of the students, even I would say almost all the students answered that the purpose of life is to get happiness, to get into a job, or to collect the materialistic things and all. And when I was teaching them the six major philosophies of Indian philosophy and Indian tradition of logic, there we had a discussion, and then I got the auspicious chance to inform my students that the ultimate goal of a Hindu is uh, to come out of samsara through knowledge and bhakti. So there, I was unable to explain to them because nobody asked me, and then it did not occur to my mind that I can impart to them the exact meaning of the word samsara. Then I did some research, and I came to know that samsara word, which we call in Hindi sansar, is actually wandering, the cyclicity of birth and rebirth. And even it comes into the later, or say, post Vedic period. In Vedas, it is not clearly mentioned that they have a concept of sansara, or coming into life and going back, and aimlessly coming and going, coming and going, and this cyclicity of life until you attain the moksha, the salvation, the nirvana. This video is just to explain and to motivate the students that uh, be curious and inquisitive enough so that we can understand the exact meaning of the things around us. Then we had a good discussion on Bhagavad Gita also, that in Bhagavad Gita, what is the purpose of that complete scripture around us. And I was very happy that students showed a keen interest in that, and some of the students even asked me personally that I start some video lectures on these things. And I found myself in lack of the complete knowledge of and the authority to deliver such a grand lectures on such a grand topic. But still, I will do research and will do ultimate things to impart knowledge to my students. But today's lecture is based on the concept of samsara, that samsara means cyclicity and aimlessly wandering into this world. The concept came when I was discussing the Sankhya darshan and Sankhya philosophy, where the concept of Prakriti and Purush was there. And I was explaining to them that Purush, because the moment I asked them the concept of Purush, then they said male, and Admi, the word, come from the Persian word Adam, or say the Jewish word Adam. Then I explained to them that it is pure consciousness. Purush means pure consciousness, and Prakriti means the matter. And the ultimate thing is that this matter creates Maya around us. And ultimate goal of a Hindu, one who follows Hindu Sanatan Dharma, or one who understands the Indian Hindu logic, should understand that one has to detach himself, from the Maya. And this is the only way through which he or she can come out of this cyclicity of life. And this is the ultimate goal for which we are sent to this earth. And we are sent to this earth is again not a work of God. It is again, it depends upon our karma. Like there are 84 lakh yonis have been mentioned, in which we keep coming and going because of the karma phala, the the fruits of our karma, our action, which we garner in this world, and accordingly, so it is predetermined things. So there are so many different concepts. It is very tough, for a teacher to explain Indian philosophy until the students are very curious either, or we have a lot much time. So I consider that your views are invited, so that I can continue with these kind of series of lectures. Thank you very much.